everyone, my name is Amber. Today I will lead you to visit our GYA factory. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. We are a professional corporate structured cabling manufacturer. We provide the whole corporate solutions for customers. The upstairs is the office area of our factory.
GYA is a company that cares about the well-being of our staff.
Now we come to the production workshop, which is divided into 4 floors.
The first and second floor are the cable production workshop. We have strong supply chain and raw material sales, and all materials are inspected before entering the production lines. We have complete production lines produced from 99.99% pure copper to finished cables, patch cords, and copper accessories.
We carry out strict incoming QC, IPQC, and outgoing quality control.
质量部我们一共有 IQC、IPQC、FQC、OQC 等4个组成的部分。那通过对来料检验、过程检验跟成品检、出货检都有详细的一个检查计划与流程，确保我们的跳线产品出到客户端质量是符合客户的要求，也满足厂内的检验规范的一些要求。
We have strict quality management and testing equipment for the finished products, and the imported network analyzer to test the performance of LAN cables.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Of course, hope this video can give you a better understanding of us. See you next time. Bye bye.